Isn't that awful?
Well, I wish you luck with that.
Oh, thanks. Yeah, I've been going for like 7 months.
What, me?
7 months.
You have to do
Otherwise,
it-
it's surgery on my spine.
Oh, you have to do it over for
Every
like,
week. I'm
Okay.
doing it. But I'm going to eventually in September. I like to do it every other week.
Yeah, well, that's good.
You know what I mean? And then keep it like that. Otherwise, it's surgery on my spine, like a thing, and that's
I
like.
think you better.
Yeah, right. Exactly. Yeah, yeah.
Try
Oh,
that
God.
first.
Exactly.
Anything before you know I go to surgery. Yeah.
Tell me about it. Yes, you're right. All right, so now I'm waiting, killing myself to get ready.
Anybody ever tell you look like Ray Charles?
For me?
You look like Ray Charles?
Say that again, please.
I said, did anybody ever tell you you look like Ray Charles?
But the way we see him on
Like
TV, when the
Ray
we
Charles? No,
Ray
say
Charles.
no.
But see, it's the way
Yeah,
we
that's-
see him on TV because he's wearing
First time
sunglasses.
I heard that one.
Really? No.
Your features nice.
Yeah. Okay. Wish
How
I had
many
his,
why?
I wish I had his money.
Well, yeah.
How many why?